You're interested in the 2022 Scout 195 Sportfish here at MarineMax Norwalk. This 195 Sportfish has the white Scout gel coat, outfitted with the YAMAHA 115 horsepower outboard. Also has the ski tow arch for water sports. This is also outfitted with an aluminum trailer with the guide poles. The bimini is a color match to the upholstery. This is the back bench seat. The middle portion of this folds down so that you can trim your outboard all the way up. We have rod holders on both sides as well as grab handles. The leaning post has a removable backrest that sits in two rod holders. Underneath the seat is your live well. Under both sides of the gunnels, you have dedicated rod storage. On the console for the Scout 195 Sportfish, you have the Scout dash with two Yamaha gauges, both one tachometer and one speedometer, tactile switches, a Garmin GPS with a fish finder, a Fusion stereo system. On the base of the console, you have a foot rail, as well as your battery switch and a lockable glove box. On the starboard side of the console, you have dedicated rod storage for 4. Also dedicated storage for fillet knives. Up in the bow, you have the bow cushion, anchor locker, grab rails, cup holders, speakers, a backrest on the console. A generous storage locker under the bow cushion that is self-draining, so you can put equipment in there. Just forward of that and on top of the bow, you have an anchor locker for all of your anchor rode. Inside the console, your access panel is on the port side. It is outfitted with a porta potty, which also houses your mast light. It is also self-draining, so it's suitable for storage. If you have any questions about the 2022 Scout 195 Sportfish, please don't hesitate to give us a call or come on down to check it out yourself. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.